To enable donations for your GitHub project, you need to set up a funding.yml meta file. This file adds a sponsor button to your repository. We'll use Cheeseway.io, link is in the description, to easily generate the file and manage your donation options. Let's get started. Log in or create an account. You can use Google, Discord, or standard email and password login. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the My Donations page. Click the Create Donation button and choose Roadmap. This donation type is the best for software projects. Now name your roadmap. I'll call mine My New UI Library. This is the name that will appear on your My Donations page later, and as the roadmap title shown to your supporters. Let's set up the roadmap. Click the full screen icon to open the roadmap editor in full screen mode. I'll name the project Open UI, and for the description, I'll write includes components, hooks, and form handling. Now let's define the features. I'll rename the blocked feature item to hooks. Next, I'll delete the extra placeholders we don't need. Now I'll rename the feature A item to components and change its two children to inputs and buttons. Under buttons, I'll update the items to normal button and copy button. Then under inputs, I'll add number input, select input, and a text area. Let's collapse the editor and check the preview. As you can see, voters or supporters won't see edit or delete buttons, and instead they'll see options to vote for or fund individual features. Let's close the preview, and now I'll click Save. The roadmap should appear in the My Donations list. From here, click the three dots next to your roadmap and choose Generate funding.yml for GitHub. The file content will be copied to your clipboard. Before you share the roadmap, let's quickly connect your payment method. Go to Settings, Payment Methods section, and connect your Stripe account. If you've ever used Ko-fi or Buy Me a Coffee, the Stripe onboarding is basically the same. You'll be asked to connect a payout method like your bank account. It takes about 2 minutes, and once you're set up, donations can go straight to you. I already have Stripe connected, so let's move on. Now open your GitHub repo. If you don't already have a .github folder, create one, then add a file called funding.yml. In my case, I've already prepared it earlier. Paste the contents you got from Cheeseway and commit the file. You should now see the Sponsor This Project button in your repo sidebar, and it'll link directly to your Cheeseway roadmap where your community can donate or vote on features, and that's it. Your project is now funding ready.